Okay. So before we start these 5 words, I just want to know, last Monday I have taught you 5 words of vocabulary, right? So just raise hands, those who have remembered the words. Last Monday I have taught you 5 words of vocabulary, and we will have revision also in our class, okay? Not like the Aage part, Peter Savat, not like that. Yes, Augustine is raising hands. So please, Augustine, go ahead and tell me 5 words.
Callous.
Callous. Very good. Yes, Augustine. Very good. That's the spirit. Yes, Prasoon. One more. Prasoon.
Ma'am, nepotism.
Nepotism. Very good. Ananya.
Knuckles.
Sorry.
Nascent.
Okay, nascent. Okay. Good.
Ma'am, brazen.
Brazen. Correct.
Ma'am, appease.
Correct.
Ma'am, appease.
Good. Appease it. Ananya, and don't be disappointed. I have heard your word. Very good. Really impressed. I am with you. So now I have written these 5 words on board: keen, negligence, consequence, appetite, and jovial, of course. So first of all, one by one, I will ask the meaning and along with the sentence. Okay. So number 1 is keen. And those who know the meaning, just raise the hand. Yes, Prasoon and Ananya. Yes, Prasoon.
Ma'am, interested in something.
Okay, good. Ananya?
Sharp.
Huh?
Sharp.
Sharp. No, it's not sharp actually. Too eager or interested in something. Now I'll make you one sentence and rest of the sentence you all will make. Okay? Ready for that? Rohan wanted to go to the movie, but I was not too keen. Rohan wanted to go to the movie, but I was not too keen. Means I was not interested. I was not eager to go to watch movie. I hope I made it clear, the sentence and this word too. Have you all understood what is this keen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Now, one by one, you all will make sentence, and please, I don't want any repeated sentence in my class. Okay. So please frame different sentence, and I will start from Ananya. Yes, Ananya.
And I am keen in dance.
I am
Keen in dance.
Oh, wow. Very nice sentence. And keen in dance. Very good. Yes, one more I want from Bhor. Yes, Bhor. Fast.
Ma'am, my brother is so keen in study.
Okay, wow. Very nice sentence. Yes, Priyanshi. You are busy in something.
Rohan is keen in art and craft.
Okay, wow. Yes, Samruddhi.
Yes, ma'am. Rahul is too keen to study GK right now.
Wow, very nice. Bhavesh?
Yes, ma'am. Keen. He is so keen person.
Okay, he is so keen person. Keen in what?
Too eager.
No, means he is so
He is
keen person.
Yes.
Something like studies or dancing or something else. In which he is keen? I'm asking to you, Bhavesh.
He is keen in dancing.
Yeah, then right now, Augustine is very keen to speak. Yes, Augustine.
My sister and I are keen in cycling.
Wow, very good. Yes, one more I want from Bhavdi.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am is playing. I am keen in playing.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, you can tell any sport name instead of playing. You can. Okay, Bhavdeep, like tennis, like badminton, like cricket. Okay. Now next sentence I want from Avni. Where is she? She left, I think. Yes, Aditi. Aditi,
Yes, ma'am.
fast.
I'm so keen in creativity.
Okay. Yes. Who is left now? Prasoon.
I am keen to meet my friends.
Okay. Very nice. Daksh.
I am keen in playing baseball.
Good try. Very good. So I hope this word is clear by all. Have you all understood what is the meaning of this word?
Yes, ma'am.
And next Monday, I will ask the same 5 vocabularies. Okay. So don't forget, please. Yes. Now, number 2. Number 2, negligence. Negligence. I hope you have heard this word oftentimes. Am I right? No, my God. Somebody is shaking hand. Okay, not Prasoon also. Okay, so who knows the meaning? Just raise the hand.
I know.
Using dictionary and thesaurus, right?
No, ma'am.
No, you can use, my dear. You can. Vocabulary means you can use dictionary and thesaurus. Okay, very good. Yes, Augustine.
To avoid.
Yes, Augustine. Huh?
To avoid.
Okay, to avoid. Okay. Yes, Samruddhi now. Ready to speak?
Yes, ma'am. The meaning of the meaning of the word is in a failure of taking care of something.
Okay. Yes, Prasoon.
Ma'am, not being careful.
Not being careful. Okay. And one very, very easy word I am going to write on the board.
Careless.
Careless and fearlessness. Laparwahi. And now I'll make one sentence and rest of the sentence you all will make. Ready for? Rohan met with an accident. Due to negligence, रोहन met with an accident. लापरवाही की वजह से रोहन का accident हुआ. Okay, now you all will make the sentence. Yes, Bhavesh, raising two hands. Yes, Bhavesh.
Negligence. He is very negligent person to his things.
Okay, Samruddhi.
Yes, ma'am. Radha was too negligent to handle a turtle.
Very nice. Prasoon.
Rahul is very negligent in study.
Okay, Ananya.
Due to negligence, his pencil was stolen.
Oh, wow, nice sentence. Bold.
And Rohan has failed in maths.
Wow, very good. Yes, Daksh.
Ma'am, Rishikesh is careless to keep his dog.
Okay. Instead of using careless, you can use this word, negligence. Okay, Daksh? Very good. Yes, Augustine.
Due to his negligence, his cycle was stolen.
Ah, okay. Now, Priyanshi.
Is a negligence.
From where this unwanted noise is coming? Yes, Priyanshi. Now you can speak.
Okay. So his negligence.
I think in my time it's too heavily raining. That's why.
Ma'am,
This
it is
unwanted.
coming from Aditi mic.
Oh my God, Aditi, where are you?
Ma'am, I am here.
Yes, Priyanshi, please, beta, repeat it once for me.
Provisional is a negligent person about keys.
Okay, good. Yes, Bhavdeep, two hands, two palm. Yes, Bhavdeep.
Ma'am, Toshu is a negligence to doing his homework.
Okay, good. Aditi.
He is so careless about his studies.
My dear, careless, instead of using this word, you can use this negligence. Okay, so I hope this word is clear to everyone, negligence. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. And now next comes consequence. And I will start from, okay. Bhor. Bhor, what is the meaning of consequence? Fast. And on Monday, I'm allowing you to keep dictionary with you, to keep thesaurus with you only for Monday, okay? Because vocabulary we are learning, so you can keep dictionary and all with you. Yes, Bhor don't know? Okay, who will tell me the meaning now? Yes, Samruddhi, raising hand, yes?
Yes, ma'am. Failure.
Okay. Yes, anybody wants to speak? Huh? Who wants to speak now? Yes, no one. Okay. I have written a very easy words. Consequence, result or outcome. And now one sentence I'll make for you. The slightest error. The slightest error can have serious consequences. छोटी मोटी मिस्टेक से आप बहुत बड़े परिणाम भुगत सकते हैं. The slightest error can have serious consequences. I hope I made it clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now it's time for you to try. Okay, and this time I'll start from Aditi. Aditi, please frame one sentence on this consequence. Aditi, be fast.
His consequence came good.
No, my dear. You're not framing correct sentence. Okay, Bhor, now you tell me. Consequence, result, outcome means parinam. Okay, Aditi. Yes, Bhor. Bhor slept now. Yes, Bhavesh. Yes, Bhavesh. Very keen to speak. Yes.
Today is coming consequence of my math test.
Okay, good try. Very good, Bhavesh. Yes, now raising hands, Samruddhi. Yes, Samruddhi.
Ma'am, due to the consequence, we lost the match.
Wow, very nice. Good. Bhavesh and Samruddhi, very good. Augustine. Augustine.
Due to his consequence, he slept in
the swimming pool.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes, Priyanshi.
What we will do, that only will be constant.
Okay. Good. Very nice sentence. And Bhavdeep.
My sister is consequence in painting.
No, my dear. Wrong sentence, Bhavdeep. My sister is consequence in painting. मेरी बहन पेंटिंग में परिणाम है. Like this you are framing the sentence. मेरी बहन पेंटिंग में आउटकम है, रिजल्ट है, परिणाम है. This is wrong sentence, my dear. Yes, who is left now to speak? No one, I think. Yes, Prasoon. Yes, Prasoon. Okay, Ananya. Yes, Ananya. Yes, Prasoon.
The consequence was that many people lost their job.
Okay, Ananya. Very good, Prasoon.
Due to his negligence, his consequence of exam was very bad.
Oh, two vocabulary in one sentence. Very nice, little girl. Very good, Ananya. Okay, so I hope consequence is clear to all. Clap for her. Very good. vocabulary in one sentence. Very nice, little Ananya. Okay. Now next comes
Thank you, ma'am.
appetite. Appetite. Okay, and who will say the meaning now? Only Samruddhi is raising hand always. Huh? And Bhavesh also sometimes. And what about others? Yeah, this time Bhavdeep will speak the meaning. Yes, Bhavdeep. Bhavdeep is sleeping now.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, you don't know appetite. Okay. Okay, now Samruddhi, you can.
A natural need to satisfy our body.
Good. Very good. Any other ones to try? Nobody. See, desire of something, especially hunger. Desire to eat food or bad hunger. But बहुत जोरों से भूख लगती है. Okay. So now who will make the sentence on this appetite? Like first I'll make. Sheila has a healthy appetite. Sheila has a healthy appetite. Now it's your turn. Daksh. I will start from Daksh.
Yes, ma'am.
4 minutes left. Be fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Daksh, if you don't know, beta, say don't know.
Ma'am, I will tell you later.
Later, after 7.
No, ma'am.
Okay, you can think. Yes, Ananya?
Very upbeat after doing my school's homework.
Okay. Okay, Bhavesh.
I am appetite.
I am appetite. See, this appetite, it's not necessary that you will use only in eating food and all. Some more and appetite, especially appetite means bhook. And bhook can be of food, bhook can be of money, bhook can be of anything. Okay. Yes, Samruddhi, frame one sentence.
My mother is appetite after listening the word burger.
Okay. Wow. Yes. Now, Augustine, writing something. Searching from phone. Sister is helping. No. Okay. Nobody wants to try? Yes, Priyanshi raising hand. Yes, my dear Priyanshi.
I am appetite after coming from school to
Mhm.
eat.
Correct. Absolutely correct. Good. Good try. Yes, now Bhavesh, where are you now?
Ma'am, I have read in chat box.
I am appetite. Okay, I am appetite of swimming. Okay, swimming की भूख है आपको.
Yes, ma'am. I have medals also.
Bon appetit. Okay, okay. Yes, anybody wants to try some more? Okay, straight come to the fifth one. It's jovial. Now, jovial, Aditi will speak the meaning. Aditi, where are you? Tell me the meaning of jovial. I hope these 4 words are clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Keen, negligence, consequence, and appetite. Yes, now jovial. Prasoon. Yes, Prasoon. Time running out.
Ma'am?
Okay.
Ma'am, happy and friendly.
Yes. Aditi, where are you? Very good, Prasoon. Aditi slept now, I think. Cheerful. Cheerful. And this is a very easy word, so I will not make any sentence on this. You will make. And first one.
Mama, I think
Daksh.
friend.
Huh? Yes,
Friend.
yes, yes. Friend. Yes, Priyanshi.
Sohil is
Here you can also use friendly person.
so
Jovial person,
What?
cheerful person, friendly person. Yes, Priyanshi.
Sohil is jovial after sleeping.
Jovial after sleeping. Okay, little bit correct. I'm not satisfied. Augustine, you have written the correct sentence in chat box. Very good. Yes. Bhavesh?
Yes, ma'am. My mother is cheerful for me.
Instead of using cheerful, you can use now jovial. It's vocabulary, my dear. Okay, Bhavesh?
My
now
mother is
still-
cheerful from me. For me.
Yes, good. Yes, who wants to try? Raise up hands, raise up hands. Okay. Prasoon. Yes, Prasoon?
I am jovial because I won a gold medal.
Oh, wow. Okay. Yes, now Bhavdi. Bhavdi, where are you? Frame one sentence on jovial.
Yes,
And one new girl
Ma'am.
left meeting, I think. She left. Avni?
Is a jovial.
Okay. Samruddhi, ma'am. Can the meaning jovial be good humored? Yes, Samruddhi. Can also be correct. Good. Bhavdeep,
Yes.
I don't know where is he. Daksh, you want to try?
Yes, ma'am. Sahil is a jovial person.
Okay. Now, Priyanshu, you're already over one chance. Ananya?
Ma'am, my parents are very jovial person for physical activities to me.
Okay. Very nice. Samruddhi?
Yes, ma'am. Anshika is enough jovial to be a monitor of a class.
Very good. Okay, so I hope these 5 words clear to everyone. And homework, you all know. I will share these 5 words in the group. And please, I want one word, one sentence. I want means 5 sentences on these 5 words. One sentence, one word. Okay. And you all will send audio to me. I don't want any written work. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes,
Okay. So I will share after the class these 5 words. So now it's time to say bye to teacher.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Take care. Love you all. Bye-bye.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, you're excused.